The Bloom Air Purifier actively eliminates harmful air pollutants and blends in perfectly with the surrounding decor. The units have a unique, award-winning design with an integrated planter for your favorite flower, or they can be used as a small accent table with the addition of their optional oak or walnut top. They add a stylish touch to any interior, while also drastically improving the air quality in the room with their medical-grade HEPA 13 air filter that eliminates 99.97% of common air pollutants as small as 0.1 microns in size, like dust, bacteria, smoke, viruses, volatile organic compounds, pet dander, allergens, mold, and household odors. The infrared PM 2.5 particle sensor continuously monitors the air quality and automatically adjusts the fan speed to remove detected air pollutants. The antibacterial pre-filter captures larger particles in the air and is available in a variety of colors. The units have 360-degree air intake/outlet for enhanced air circulation and a night mode that provides filtration at imperceptible noise levels. The integrated removable planter with a root strainer improves plant health by providing optimal air circulation for the plant to build stronger roots and stems, and the purifier does not emit ozone, so they are safe for kids and pets. The units are designed for rooms up to 1,517 square feet, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.